Hey, what's up guys, Wonder Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane that goes very far, if you do it correctly. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and like. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just fold it like that. Make sure, the neater you have this, the farther it will go. And it should look like that. Now you're going to want to take this part and fold it all the way to the end of the paper, like this. So now it should look like that. And then you're going to want to take it right here and fold it in half. And now right here, you're going to want to fold it once and go like that. Twice, do it again. 3 times. And then take this little thing right here, put it behind this little tuck. There. Might be a little hard. Just swipe it like that. Now fold the paper, the whole thing in half. I suggest you probably start folding at the tip. It's a little bit easier. There. And you should fold the rest of it on like that. And this will go very far. I'm not going to show you right now because it's dark and you need to probably do it outside. It goes really far. Yeah. So here it is. So for this paper airplane, you're just going to want to throw it as hard as you can. Not gentle or anything, just hard as you can. Yeah, again, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and comment if you want more of these videos. And bye.